Hey everybody, Terry and Jennifer from Onward Realty Partners here to talk about 2023 home trends in regards to design. Well, all those open concept spaces are going out, and there's a more desire for separated spaces, especially in kitchens, living rooms, family rooms, so putting those walls back up.
All right, one of the other features that's coming up is getting kind of back to nature. So instead of those plain white and gray and all those kind of just kind of solid colors, we're going back to more wood inspired, some stained wood, even from pictures all the way to cabinets and islands.
Lighting as a design feature, lamps are back.
And talking about those colors, everybody's been stuck with those grays and now it's turned into white. Now guys, everything is starting to move towards the middle, and it's going to start being some warm nature tones and also some more vibrant colors for some accent walls.
Other two are curved furniture and Art Deco revival, but we've got more information if you head over to our blog on our website, onwardindiana.com. Get inspired, get more information, and you'll be trending in 2023.